Sahih Al-Bukhari 3561, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, I have never touched silk or dibaj, i.e. thick silk, softer than the palm of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi, nor have I smelt a perfume nicer than the sweet of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3562, narrated Abu Sa'id Al-Khudri radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi was shyer than veiled virgin girl. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3562b, narrated Shoba radiyallahu ta'ala anha. A similar hadith, i.e. number 762, with this addition, and if he, i.e. the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, disliked something, the sign of aversion would appear on his face. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3563, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never criticized any food presented him, but he would eat it if he liked it. Otherwise, he would leave it without expressing his dislike. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3564, narrated Abdullah bin Malik bin Buhayna al-Asdi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prostrated, he used to keep his arm so vigilantly apart that we used to see his armpits. The sub-narrator Ibn Bukhair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, the witnesses of his armpits. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3565, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not use to raise his hands in his invocation except in the istisqa, i.e. invoking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the rain, in which he used to raise his hands so high that one could see the witnesses of his armpits. Note it may be that Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha did not see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as raising his hand, but it has been narrated that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as used to raise his hands for invocations other than istisqa. See Hadith number 612, volume 5, and Hadith number 807 and 808, volume 2. Like and subscribe my channel for more Hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.